So what is there in type 4 method? Your equation must be of the type equation of the type f1 xp is equal to f2 yq. Means this side, this LHS must contain the terms x and p, and this RHS of this expression must contain the terms y and q. Okay, if your expression is in this form and here z is absent, here z is absent, z नहीं है वहां पे, ठीक है, z नहीं है, ठीक है. So in this equation z is absent, z is absent, and terms containing x and p, terms containing x and p can be written on one side, can be written on one side, and the terms containing y and q can be written on other side. We don't have to mix this term. Means xp, the terms containing x and p must be on one side, and the terms containing y and q must be on the other side. Okay, so we don't have to mix up. आणि मिक्स ही असेल तरी त्याला सेपरेटली लिहून घ्या. ठीक आहे, we can write it separately. ठीक आहे, on other side. So very first we check what is the method to solve this type of problems. Okay, so let's see first the method. Suppose our expression is given as f1 xp is equal to f2 yq is equal to some a. This is our original expression. And we have considered this original expression is equal to small a, so that we can compare this both the expression with a. Okay, so from this we can write this f1 xp is equal to a, and f2 yq is equal to b, is equal to, sorry, not b, a only, a ही लिया है हमने. ठीक है, so a only is equal to a. Now this expression we solve for p. This equation we will solve for p, and let us take small p is equal to, we will solve this expression. ठीक है, solve करेंगे और कुछ तो आएगा ना solve करने के बाद. ठीक है, so we denote that expression by capital F1 of x. And similarly here we will solve this expression for q, and on solving this expression we will get some q is equal to f2 of y. ठीक है, क्योंकि वहां पे सिर्फ y का टर्म है. And now since this capital dz is equal to dou z by dou x into dx plus dou z by dou y into dy. So this expression can be written as this dz, this dou z by dou x means small p into dx. Remember this expression, this is very important expression. ठीक है, p dx plus q dy, or what is the value of p? P is nothing but the f1 of x and Q is nothing but the f2 of y. So we substitute these values here. F1 of x dx plus f2 of y dy. Now you can see the terms are separated. Z का टर्म सेपरेट है, x का टर्म x dx के साथ सेपरेट है, y का टर्म dy के साथ सेपरेट है. So easily we can integrate. So on integrating, we get integration of dz is equal to integration of f1 dx plus integration of f2y dy, or this can be written as the small z is equal to integration of f1 dx plus integration of f2y dy. So this will be our solution. Required solution. Okay, so let's have a recap of this method. What is method? So here your expression must be in this form. The terms xp separated on one side, yq terms separated on another side. So let us consider it is equal to a. Solve it for p. Give this expression as f1, capital F1 of x. Solve it for q. Give that expression is equal to f2 of y. Then substitute these values here and then finally integrate. You will get solution. Okay, so let's take example number 25. Example number 25. So what's the example 25? Solve p minus x square p minus x square is equal to q plus y square. So already these terms are separated, no? कुछ भी करना नहीं है. Already it is in the form of f1 xp is equal to f2 yq. So we just take this p minus x square is equal to q plus y square is equal to some a. Okay, just say we are considering this. So we can take p minus x square is equal to a. Or this imply that p is equal to a plus x square. Okay, and similarly q plus y square is equal to a. So we can take the small q is equal to a minus y square. Now substitute the values of small p and small q in which expression? Dz is equal to p dx plus q dy. So what's the value of p? P is nothing but the a plus x square. What is the value of into dx? Now what is the value of q? Q is a minus y square into dy. देखो अब टर्म सारी सेपरेट हो चुकी है. x की टर्म x के साथ, y की टर्म y के साथ और z भी सेपरेट है. So on integrating, what we get? Integration of dz, integration of a plus x square dx, integration of a minus y square dy, integration of dz is z. This can be written as integration of a dx plus integration of x square dx plus integration of ay. Sorry, on integrating, one arbitrary constant must be added. ठीक है, एक दूसरा arbitrary constant add होना चाहिए. ठीक है, here यहाँ पे भी लिख दीजिए, यहाँ पे भी इंटीग्रेशन करने के बाद एक आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट ऐड होता है. ठीक है, सो प्लस बी आ गया, बिकॉज वी नीड टू arbitrary constants in our solution. So this is a dy and minus of y square dy plus b. So how to solve this integration? A dx means ax, integration of a dx is ax, integration of x square is x cube upon 3, integration of ay, a dy means ay. Okay, and minus, this is y cube upon 3 plus b. So this is our final solution. This is our final solution. This is the required solution of given partial differential equation. Okay, so that is over example number 25. Now let's move to example number 26. Example number 26. So what is there? P square plus Q square is equal to Z square into X plus Y. Now this problem is not in this form, क्योंकि यहाँ पे Z भी है और हमारे ये जो अभी जो पहले वाला फॉर्म किया था उसमें Z नहीं था. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे Z भी है, तो सबसे पहले उसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लेना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, सबसे पहले उसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लेना पड़ेगा और बाद में उसको मेथड लगा के सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, समझ में आया? ठीक है, सो वी राइट very first this expression, your given expression is p square plus q square is equal to z square into x plus y. Bring this z square here, so this expression can be written as p square plus q square upon z square is equal to x plus y. Now what? This can be written as p square, this is small p, small p upon z square in plus small q square upon z square is equal to x plus y, or this can be written as 1 upon z square into this dou z by dou x whole square plus this is 1 upon z square into this dou z by dou y whole square is equal to x plus y. Okay, and now what? This z square can be taken with z, this dou z by z upon dou x whole square plus same here dou z by z dou y whole square is equal to x plus y. Now denote the small z by dou z by small z is equal to capital dou z, capital dou z. And here we get log of small z is equal to capital Z. So instead of this dou z by z, what we have to take this dou capital Z, no? So this is dou capital Z upon dou small x whole square plus what? This dou capital Z upon dou small y whole square is equal to x plus y. And now give it expression as p square, capital P square plus q square is equal to x plus y. And now we separate the values here px and qy. तो इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? This is p square minus x is equal to y minus q square. Now our expression is converted in this form, and you can apply here now the formula. अप्लाई करने के बाद क्या करेंगे कि जो z की वैल्यू थी वो उसको वापस दे देंगे. ठीक है. सो